Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, today's video will be a little different because today I'll be showing you how I remove my makeup. And after this, I'm going to sleep. Okay you guys, so if you want to know what kind of products I use and what I do to remove my makeup, then continue on watching. Alright you guys, first things first, taking all these babies and then just put this right there. And then there I'm gonna get some Neutrogena makeup removing cleaning wipes. Whoa, compared to the other side, I look white as hell. This side and this side. Whoa, whoa. I don't think I see the difference. I see the same, so. So, yeah, these are the best wipes I use. Like, I love these wipes. These are my all-time favorite wipes to remove makeup. It removes the makeup so well. Like, guys, I buy these wipes a lot. So, if you're looking for something to like clean your makeup off, then the Neutrogena wipes are the ones. I like all of them. I know they have some like night ones and then some other ones. This is actually a new one. This is like the fragrance free one. So yeah. Alright. That is, well, let me actually get another one to clean very well. I usually probably use like about 2 of them when I remove my makeup, just because. Alright, so after that, either I use my wipes. If I run out of wipes, I go in with the foaming cleanser. Cleanser. That's the 2 I go in with. I'm not gonna use it just because I have the wipes, so it's either out of those 2 I use to remove all the makeup. So next, I'm gonna go in with the Cetaphil. I don't know how you say it, but it's this baby right here. So I'm gonna just squirt some and put it all over my face. And we're gonna use a baby that I got, well, that I was given as a gift. This is the Vanity Planet. These are the best cleaning. This is like the best cleaning brush ever. I love this. This is like the most amazing gift I could have ever gotten. So it comes in with 3 different brushes. We have 2 like fluffy ones, and then we have another one. I don't know what you call this, but it's like, just know it feels really good. So I'm gonna just put some here, and then I got some like water to dip it in, and then we just gotta, and it feels so good. So the product that I put on my face, ignore my eyebrows. The product I put in my face is makes my skin really soft, and I love it. That is very recommendable. So it's like for a lot of like, it helps with oily skin. Okay, so it is a daily facial cleanser. This is this effective yet gentle facial cleanser was originally formulated for dermatologists to keep normal to oily skin clean, healthy, remove surface oils, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin tight or overly dry. Rinses clean without leaving any pore clogging. Gentle enough for everyday use. So yes, and me, I have like very bad oily skin. Sadly, I don't like it, but I mean, oh well. So now I'm just gonna go in with a different brush just to get all in there. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but you see the dirt on it, a little dirt on it. So yeah, it's an amazing brush to clean your foundation and whatever. It just goes deep right in there, and that's what I love about this brush. So now I'm just gonna get a towel and just clean all it up. Alright, so next we're gonna go in. Well, I actually ordered these. When I actually did the go-to beauty review, I actually ordered also some sheet masks. So I got the 24K gold one. So we're gonna go ahead and try out this baby, which I thought it would be a gold mask, but never mind. Thought it would be a gold mask actually, but I was wrong. So we're just gonna put this on the face. So let's see how long it's supposed to take. Relax for 10 minutes. So you guys, I'm gonna be gone for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so now it's time to remove this. So instead of just like wiping it off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just like Alright, so next what I like to do is go in with an under eye gold gel mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these little thingies and put them under my eye. Alright, so we're gonna leave these on for about 20 minutes. Wow. So, 20 minutes. Alright, while that, I'm gonna go ahead and for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and put the Vasline Lip Therapy. This is cocoa butter. I use this a lot because my lips be chappy. No, right? Be chapped. Yeah, be chapped as fuck. So. Alright, so after that, we're gonna go ahead and get another one. I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I removed the little eye thingy, jingy, the dingies, because it's done with. So now we're gonna go in with the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I'm just gonna put this in the face. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Shield Enrich Skin Protection. And this would be my last step for cleaning the face. Alright, so that is it. Now we're gonna go into a pharmacy. It's a Do It All Total Eye Cream. So I put this under the eyes. Alright, you guys, so this is my routine on cleaning my face, removing the makeup, and you know, getting ready for bed. So yeah, you guys, so this is the end of the video. I know it was such a short video, but I felt like I should share it on here. I actually did share the video already on my Instagram, so if you are not following me on my Instagram, because sometimes I be posting videos on there, so if you have not followed me, if you do not follow me on my Instagram, please do. My information is below the description box. So yeah, so, and of course, and I will be posting, no, I will be putting the stuff I use to clean my face under the description box. So yeah, go ahead and check it out. And yeah, so this is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave some comments below. And once again, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.